It's Sunday morning, September 10th,
11:56.
11:56 a.m., 2017. That's the Pacific Ocean. Boy, the color's beautiful. I hope the camera's picking them up. Let me raise the lens up a little bit. All right, we're sitting on a rock. I'm gonna let that go for a while. We're staying at Driftwood RV Park on Lower Harbor Road, Site 17. Got here on the 6th, leaving on the 13th. Now let's go the other way. The sun's out that way already. I wanted to get those rocks. The sun's out on that side. Almost high noon. Okay, before we end this,
Pretty peaceful for a Sunday at noon, huh?
yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of Patsy on this rock. The rock is kind of strange. It looks soft and fluffy, but it's hard like a rock. Because it is a rock. Let's see if we're far enough back here. Maybe a little bit. Take a picture. Zoom in a little bit more on that rock. Patsy said it's burned on the other side, so I'm taking a walk over there.
Ready?
I wanted to get, oh, they had a fire here. The rock itself turned colors. So let's get that on video too. Yeah. Okay, as soon as these pictures save, we're ending this video. That's it. How about a zoom? Can we get a zoom out there? Look how pretty human. There's a human. And that's it for this one. Patsy's already walking.